unloading a 16-feet box truck in as little as we can. Hopefully 20 minutes or less. People say that box trucks suck because they take a long time to unload and it's a waste of time versus just pushing a button on something that dumps. So let's see how long it takes us. It is, I'm gonna shoot it, if you can see in here, it is 1:19. So let's see how it goes. I'm gonna do it right now. Alright guys, let's go. Forgot my gloves. We have a lot of stuff on this truck today. A lot. Okay, I guess it's safe to say that it's empty. And here's about it. It is, I don't know if it shows. No, it's 140. So pretty much 20 minutes. Right at 20 minutes. So it took us to empty a completely full 16-feet box truck, 20 minutes. And we have a lot of construction debris, as you guys saw, that we usually don't use this truck for.
Probably the biggest load that I've done.
Was this?
I think
really?
So. I think
yeah,
so.
there was a lot of shit.